This is a bathroom I've nearly completed. There's a bit to it. I've got to do that skirting tile in there. Just do a little bit more of the floor, and then I can I'm able to stand on these tiles because they're dry. I did the rest of this floor the other day. So I'll just do a few around that, finish the top off there and there. I'll just finish that off and then I'll get into the grout. I'll cut these ready to put in, but I'll these ones I'll cut ready to put in, and I'll place them once I've grouted all the walls. Okay, see you soon. Hopefully I can teach DIYs something, professionals something. There is heaps to learn, guys. We'll see you soon.